Hey, we back at it again. Yeah, it's on.
Alright,
We on roll.
So,
What is this? Matilija?
Matilda.
it says no trespassing,
No
but you know what we
no
do.
trespassing.
You know what we do.
Yeah.
We don't give up.
We're savage.
Here, Matilija, we are here. And then we're going there. Okay, theft warning. Theft warning. We're gonna steal rocks.
Make sure less ground, okay?
Yeah. This time is gonna be a little better video for y'all. A little adventure.
Yep. Less ground, more view.
Yeah, instead of rioting, we do this. Dude, look at this. This right here, this is the public restroom. Is this the thumbnail?
Yep.
Oh, this gotta be the thumbnail.
Alright, right here. The thumbnail right here.
So you see, we're passing the Atlantic Ocean again. John, can you do like a fast one? Like a ninja one?
Like a Naruto one?
What? Why not? Damn, y'all didn't tell me it's gonna be like this.
You bought my clip?
I should have worn my Timbs. Didn't get my shoes wet, dog. Not yet. That shit feels nasty,
Oh yeah.
How you feeling?
Shit. Moist.
Stinky.
Stinky.
You're gonna be musty later.
So yeah, this is day 2 of our vlog. We are going... Where are we hiking at?
Matilija Falls.
Matihila or Matila Falls, something like
Whatever y'all
that.
call that.
So now we're gonna make another guidelines for you guys. So
Enjoy the ride.
yes.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos.
Please do. So you know we're barely
Comment,
starting.
subscribe,
Yeah.
And
tell us where you
Tell
want
us-
us to hike
Yes,
next.
sir.
yes, that's true. Our first video was a little iffy because you
It's
know
our first time.
our first
we just
Yeah.
having fun and
Yes, sir.
everything. But this time,
We'll
we'll
give
try
you
to-
more content.
exactly, we'll try to show you guys more of the nature than us.
Adventure
sit
with the
back and-
high
Sit back and relax.
Once again, this is the adventure of the
Hyops. In English, that's what? Adventure with the crazies or some
with
shit?
the freaks,
With the freaks.
savage
Yeah,
freaks.
Adventure of the Savage.
For all you Filipinos out there,
You already know.
shout out.
Oh, look. Look, river.
Come on, you got an editor over
No,
here.
I'll be like, this one is censored.
Yeah, bro.
Beautiful.
Like, see, watch, she's gonna censor this shit too.
What's she gonna be watching that shit?
We're making him work harder.
Yeah. Man, see, this is where the fires is, you know, burnt trees and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Sir.
How do you fight the flies?
Like, you do the little, we call that the wusa.
This is called the woosah. Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Oh, see, like that?
Throw it up, throw it up. Mm-hmm. Woosah. There
Where'd you
go.
learn that?
That little change, that changes the weather a little bit too.
Yeah, it does.
What is
Strong.
it, like a wind?
It gets
Yeah,
harder.
it's the wind, like, you know,
Like a
I got the wind, what do you call that?
air bending?
Air bending.
Yeah.
Airbending skills, okay?
Yeah, yeah. See if it gets too hot.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
damn, I didn't get that. Let me,
Nah,
hold on, let me see that.
You know
real
how
quick.
many degrees it is now?
Can you do that again?
It went down.
So it gets hot when you do that?
Yeah,
It
Oh,
went down.
okay,
The
see?
temperature went down.
It went down a little bit more, see?
What about you? Can you do something like that? Oh, what is that?
Man, like
What does that do? What does that do,
What's
sir? What is that?
That's where you like push air out.
Okay,
Oh,
how
you
about
push
the
the
earth
air
bending?
The earth
Do
bending?
the earth bending.
Who? Who's doing it? Okay, you're doing it?
Yeah, let's see. See this rock here?
Mm-hmm. What's gonna happen?
See. Just gotta think about it. And then.
Focus.
Boom!
Oh my
Oh,
god.
yeah, you
Oh
like
my
that? Ah, fuck. I'm too strong.
Technical difficulties.
Sorry. There was a little earthquake when I did that shit. I'm sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys.
Shit.
When we say
Yeah.
we're gonna show you guys more of the nature, we're kidding.
Because the last video we showed most of the ground and shit. Apologize.
Yeah, I see all your comments about the ground. That's why we're fixing it.
Yeah.
That's what we like. Yeah,
Who made a comment?
yeah. A lot.
Nobody commented on the
Get
video.
3 people, boy.
It's you, Maurice.
I love you, Bobby. Being in the nature gives you more nutrients.
What does it do?
Gives you more nutrients. Helps
What?
you sleep better.
Being in the
Yeah, being in nature.
being in nature. Okay. So that's a fun fact, guys.
Yeah.
Being in nature makes you sleep better.
Yeah.
You're releasing it in nature.
Yeah.
You're releasing.
So-
Yes.
Right. That's a natural thing to do when hiking.
And then when you're done, you wipe it with a leaf.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
These are fun facts.
Yeah.
Fun fact.
Just make sure it's not poison ivy though.
Yeah, you gotta make sure.
Oh
what leaves
shit,
are
I'm
in.
itching already.
Sure, it's a regular
Here
leaf.
we go. Here we go.
Did you feel it?
So this is our colleagues. This is Doctor. Could you please introduce yourself, sir?
I'm Dr. Quack Quack.
Doctor Quack Quack. And this is our manager.
Oh,
That's
say your IG. Tell your IG.
IG.
Shout out to your
Yeah,
IG.
shout out to your IG.
Follow me on Alan Joseph with the F.
There you go.
There you
23.
go.
Are you single?
Alright.
Huh?
Are you single?
Depends who's asking.
Depends who's asking. Y'all heard that?
Asking.
He's balling too. He's a manager.
Manager.
We won't tell you guys. You just might stalk him.
Yeah.
But he's single.
You
Can you
don't
tell him
know?
about that tree, please?
This tree,
Yeah.
that's the okra tree.
What does that do?
That
Oh,
shit.
you almost stepped on shit. I saved you, dog.
Shit.
See how
back
much I
to-
love you, dog?
Back to the okra tree.
Okay, what does the okra tree
That
do?
shit supports your mindset.
Mindset.
So when you look at it,
Mhm.
makes you wanna go I don't know, just fucking do some shit. Not like us.
Dr. Aviel, could you grab one of these rocks and explain it to
Don't explain too
our
much,
viewers.
because like, you know, you can't give them too much
We
information.
got a
So,
good rock right here.
what
You see
type of
that
rock?
red spot right
What type of rock is that?
This is
What is it? What is
Bulgogi rock.
bulgogi?
Yes.
Damn,
You know
dog.
why? When I said
Bulgogi?
bulgogi rock, look at that red spot.
Okay,
It's
what is
raw.
that? It's raw?
Yeah, it's a fresh rock.
Fresh rock.
Yeah, it's a fresh rock.
okay.
You see that? It started with red, now it's turning to yellow.
Okay, that gives you what? It gives you...
This is it's a guide where it means that we're close to a water, a creek.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. You see that red spot?
And there you go again.
Yes, sir.
That's fun fact number
Fun
2.
fact number, no, it's 3, yeah?
Number 3?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
From Dr. 370Z.
And then once you see these burnt trees, that's how you know you're getting closer to the falls.
So these are the signs
Mhm.
of what?
A signs of shit.
Alan, what about that flower? Is that a flower?
Oh, tell Alan.
Alan!
I want you to explain, educate them about that flower or that plant.
That plant.
That is sampagita.
Sampagita. See? What does that do? It gives you some type of what?
Hormones.
Hormones, there you go.
Hormones. There you go, guys.
Shit.
So what do you do with it?
Huh?
What do you do with it?
Where do you rub
Sniff
it?
it on your nose.
Sniff
Yeah.
it.
Sniff it. You gotta feel
Or you could rub it on your fucking.
Oh, dang. Is that a wolf?
Oh, what the fuck?
Shit.
No! Yo! You see this dirty ass?
Whoa.
Oh, what the fuck?
Shit.
No! Oh, there's 2 dogs.
Those are dogs.
Is that a statue?
Damn, bro.
You see, you know, we're sacrificing ourselves just to give you guys a guidelines on how to
How to survive
survive and hike this
this
impossible
9-hour bullshit.
9-hour hike right here.
Yeah, if you watch the
Yeah.
old video, the first video, we encountered the big lizard.
Big lizard.
The big
Yeah,
lizard.
remember that? Did you see it? I put it in
It was
slow motion.
huge. It was huge. If you guys,
if you saw it in like person, you'll know.
It was, yeah.
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 Really got scared.
So, we honestly don't know where we're going.
First time.
We're just
We're just
First
following.
time hiking in this place.
We're following our tour guide.
going with the flow. That's our tour guide. He was also our tour guide on our last video, but we lost.
If you
We
guys
got
haven't
lost.
checked the old video, make sure to check that one.
So we might get lost today. No.
I mean, but that's the fun of it, you know?
Hell yeah.
There you go. Son. So we've been hiking for 2 hours now. How many miles has this been? 10 miles so far, guys.
10 miles so far.
We're still at it.
Plus 20 push-ups.
Yeah.
You didn't show it. You didn't see the earlier.
We
I
haven't
was
reached our
trying-
destination yet.
I was changing the battery again.
Hopefully soon. Since we're running out of energy.
Yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Hmm?
What do you say about the hike?
I should stay home. Practice social distancing, kids. That's it. Wear masks. Use condoms. Alright?
Survival tip number 4 or 6 or 7.
What is that? Number 6?
Yeah, if you're feeling like you're gonna get a heat stroke.
Uh-huh. Is it cold?
That's is that water?
Yeah.
So our trail is that way.
You go all the way that way?
I think we gotta go that way. This is where we're gonna build camp when we get back.
This is where we're staying at?
Yeah. The Holiday Inn.
It's a cool spot.
Holiday Inn dessert.
Smells good too.
When girls gotta pee, they suck it up until they get to the falls. So that's where they.
Oh, and they pee there?
That's when they pee.
Fun fact number 8. Nice.
Piss in the river.
Hey boss, you okay?
I don't see any falls.
Right there. That's it.
What do you call this?
This is the Yarberly. The Yarberly, it gives you extra energy when you eat it.
You feel good now?
Yeah.
Feel better?
It's John, can you explain that one right there?
Right there.
The other one?
And this one is Tiju.
Can you eat it?
You know what Tiju? Just put it in your nose, give you extra yards to smell.
We saw this in the first video, right?
Yeah.
Remember?
That one's different.
Oh,
That's
this is
Tiju.
different. It's like a cousin.
Yeah, the cousin.
Oh,
Secret passage.
Yep. Right here, this used to be
It's only for if you have VIP membership.
then you got the 3D view.
the general pass?
Remember, you gotta see that first before you get to the falls.
Yes. You gotta remember that. If you think it was a dead end, it's not.
It's not. It's just another path to glory. There.
Hurry up, Sai. What are your muscles doing?
Where do you want me to sit?
Oh yeah, that,
Yeah, then put your left nut out. Pull it up a little bit.
Put the
Yeah,
left
there you
nut
go.
Oh, point.
point.
I'm beautiful.
Come on, bro. Look at it. Come on, stop it. Oh, shit. Stop it. Stop it.
Look how narrow these shits are.
Let me get a picture of it.
It's hard. Still going though.
Danny.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, bro.
Careful, bro. Careful. Shit. Damn, I'm a little bitch when it comes to this shit.
Barefoot?
Got no grip.
Oh, barefoot?
Got no grip.
Yeah,
Good.
Slowly, bro. Take your time.
No, I didn't eat any of these.
Shit crazy. Oh, we're all good, you know.
Huh.
Doing it for you guys.
Steep ass. This is dangerous. Don't bring y'all kids over here.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.
Yep. Don't forget to comment where else you want us to travel.
You can do an update, bro.
Look, we just made it down from that hill. See that? We're following the stream.
Go ahead. It's cool.
Wait. Okay, Johnny. Yes! Whoa, this is scary as fuck.
I have bad
You guys know what happened?
shit.
We got lost part 2.
Got lost. Send a chopper this way.
Did you look at the video?
2 hours later.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
So come prepared, get some shoes so you don't mind getting wet.
Exactly.
You're gonna get your feet wet a little.
This shit's horrible.
That's homemade. Homegrown. Oh, wear ankle brace.
Make sure you bring comfortable shoes.
Ones that you want to get wet. Oh! We're here? That shit look like it hurts.
Jan, saluhin mo na lang ako. Saluhin mo na lang ako. I'll do it.
Sai, do it. Get the GoPro.
That's not deep, nigga. It's not deep. Is it deep?
Oh,
Not that much.
much.
It's alright.
That's good, John. Come on.
It's good.
Land it.
Look at this birdie.
John. It's not that deep. Hey, I guess this will be fine.
You guys get out of here,
Ha? Di ka na.
Naku, baka malaglag ko to. Never mind. You do it, Sai. Holding it. You do this.
Do it, move.
Baka malaglag ko eh.
Okay. Pagayin ba?
No, just record. Parang ito yung front.
Yeah.
Ikaw, ano? Hindi, ano. First,
Like that?
tawag doon. First
person?
Yeah. First person. John, come on.
Let's go.
First person.
Di ko dala.
Oh, it's cold. Oh shit. Yeah, it's recording.
All right, guys. So it's okay. It looks nice though. Okay, guys. So all right, we've reached one of our destination. That's not it. This is it. Just, I guess it's like a secret waterfall. Hold on. Hold on, let me put you guys down.
That's a big one though.
Woo! Woo! That's solid, y'all. That's beautiful. Well, let's go on this one too. Let's go on this one, John. Oh my God. Yo. Yo. Then swim. Yo, this is beautiful. Let's go, Parports! Adventure with the Hayop!
Adventure with the Hayop!
Ah, it's cold! Alright, guys. So, here is the grand finale. Oops. The main event. I think it was a 12-mile hike, or maybe a 10. I don't know. Maybe like an 8-mile hike going here. I heard the view is really beautiful. And we're about to see. As you can see, people are camping here. There's a little doggy. Oh, it's beautiful. And there you go. Oh shit. Beautiful.
Wanna go up?
Bakit? Ano pa yung sa taas?
Yun yung talunan.
Doon ka tatalon?
May falls pa sa taas.
Yeah, we can. Do you want to take a quick break? Or I don't know.
You wanna go up there? Oh, let's go.
How? How are we gonna get up there? That's the question.
This man.
So I guess that this is the falls, yeah. But up there, I think there's another falls. But we're trying to figure out how to get there. Look how this guy. Oh, okay. There's a little.
I didn't see the rope there.
There's a little rope there, but still, that's iffy. That's iffy.
That's dangerous, bro. I wanna go up there. That's too steep. No, but going down.
Should we go up there? Is it dangerous? Maybe. Is it safe? Definitely not. Is it worth it? Maybe. How you feel about this, dog? Yeah. Huh?
What do you think?
Sorry.
How you feel about this? Can you do it?
It's risky.
It's risky,
That's life and death.
but is it worth?
I don't know. What's at the other end? What do you guys think? Is it worth it to go out?
Comment down below.
Yeah, that's what I asked them. So here's the view. I'll get a closer look. Beautiful. It's like there's a little cave in there. And we'll cut for now. Close it. It's better like this.
Hey, make sure it doesn't fall. It's either here or it goes over.
Okay, who's gonna catch it?
Film it, film it. Film it while you're going.
Like this? Nah, it's better like this. It's better. What do you mean like that? It's gonna hit there. It's working.
Oh, you broke it!
No, it's working. It's crashed. No, it's not. It's not.
Alright, good.
It's good.
Go slide.
Oh, sorry.
What's up, papas?
Get into the king. This is Cave of Wonder. Cave of Wonder.
A few moments later.
What do you guys want to say?
Should have put that earlier.
How's the hike, mga hayok?
This is what high ups do. It's a hike. Stupid shit.
What time did we start?
What time is it?
Wali! Umalis pa ka agad eh.
Okay.
We just fly back.
You gotta hit it.